Ang Tanging Ina by Wendy Drama's lead actress na si Ay de las Alas noong 2003. So, pinapakita dito yung relevant for several reasons reflecting yung both cultural and theme na meron dito. Siyempre, yung pagkakaroon ng Filipino family values, pinoportray dito yung single parenthood, yung empowerment and resiliency ng isang nanay, yung humor as coping mechanism ng isang tao, and especially yung cultural and historical reflection na meron din sa moving ito, and representation and inclusivity and legacy and influence na meron. And if I would rate, siguro mga 7 out of 10.